Tired of wrestling with static markdown blogs that feel like coding in 2010? We've all been there. Bloated workarounds, copy pasted snippets, and interactivity that breaks your build. This skill gives you MDX powered React components, Gatsby Next.js integration workflows, dynamic content trees, and performance optimized image handling. Imagine embedding live code sandboxes, animated data visualizations, and custom callout components with zero config headaches. It's like swapping your abacus for a calculator, but for developers who actually ship stuff. Front-end wizards, full-stack engineers, and DevRel content creators, your blog just became a playground. Here's what's inside the Building Blog with MDX skill. You'll master MDX React component composition for interactive posts, SSG pipeline configuration with Webpack 5, dynamic remark plugins for SEO metadata, and client-side hydration strategies. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. You'll learn how to lazy load heavy components, optimize lighthouse scores with MDX-based code splitting, and even create reusable content primitives. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. It's not just a blog, it's a developer-first content engine. Installing the Building Blog with MDX skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building blog with MDX. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert-level guidance and code templates pre-configured for Gatsby 5 and Next.js 14. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to scaffold MDX pages, configure remark plugins, and optimize image pipelines. It's like teaching your editor to write React before your coffee finishes brewing. Welcome to the future.